Hey everybody, coming at you today from Dana Safety Supply in Edmond, Oklahoma. We are looking at the City of Glenpool Ford PI utilities. These are actually the Interceptors. They have the big boy motor in them. 3 of the 5 we did for them this year. They were in another brand last year, but we flipped them into Soundoff Signal for this year. We put them in the Empower bar. Empower's up front. I think there's 6 of them on the front, 6 or 8 on the rear. But as you'll notice, these cars are also synced on the lighting patterns. Put them in Satina cages, Camber Johnson consoles, of course. Anyway, this is the City of Glenpool units that we did, and I think they're going to be happy with the way they turned out. All 5 will be synced when they're running together or parked together on a traffic stop or the side of US 75. Have a good one.